How to get coconuts in Grow a Garden on Roblox. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So in order to get coconuts in Grow a Garden on Roblox, you need to first get coconut seeds. So go to Sam's Seed Shop, check Sam's shop regularly. Coconut seeds sometimes appear for 6,000 shekels for 435 Robux. The shop updates every 5 minutes and there is a 0.35% chance the seeds will be available. So you might also find the coconut seeds in normal seed packs or from Lucky Harvest. Your dog or golden lab pets might also dig them up. Now grow the coconut trees. Coconut trees take 6 to 12 hours to fully grow. These trees are very tall, which can make harvesting tricky. So collect the coconuts, climb the trunk and branches, and this is difficult because the tree is so tall and requires precise movement. Plant bamboo near your coconut tree. When the bamboo is fully grown, use it as a ladder to reach the coconuts more easily. So jump from the bamboo or tree branches to collect coconuts that are still out of reach. A well-timed jump can let you harvest several coconuts at once. Also think about the space management. Coconut trees are large, so plan your garden layout carefully. Coconut trees now give up to 15 coconuts per harvest. So coconuts can mutate into gold, rainbow, or red coconuts, which are worth more. So that's it for this video. If you found it informative, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.